Hello everybody. So in this video I'm going to show you how I'm going to help you out set up things like this. So as you can see, I have a student, a CPR student, who just renewed her BLS CPR with me yesterday, paid $85, and I sent her a text message to give my business a 5-star review, and then she went and did exactly that. So if you sign up for this CPR instructor business, I teach you exactly how to set up your Google business profile in the correct way, okay? That will attract students, looking to get their CPR renewed. And I tell you, if you get on board now and buy the course and start doing it, within a week, you should be done with your training. And within a week and a half, let me be realistic here, a week and a half to 2 weeks, you should be done. You can get set up with or without a website. You can start making money into your third day, even before you get your mannequins, one adult mannequin and an infant mannequin. Before you buy that, you can still make money from those who are just renewing their CPR. If they are renewing, most times, they are good with just watching the training video. That is like a refresher course for them. Someone go watch a training video you put up, okay, and send you $85. Imagine having $85 times 5, okay, within the course of 5 days. Okay, let me do the math for you. 85 times 5, that's $425 coming in within a week. How about getting it within a day or within 48-hour span, which I've had that before? This coming 31st, today is 25th, this coming 31st, I'm going to be making $450 within an hour. Okay, I'm going to teach a group of dental office staff in a dental office, 6 of them. I'm going to use 1 hour to do the skills check off. I'm sending them the training video, and within that hour space, I'll make $450. What would you do with a $450? So all I have to do here is like, it was a pleasure. See you in 2 years. So I put a feedback to the Google review, and as you can see, I'm all caught up. Look, I have authentic customers, and I've trained more than these people, more than 18. But as you see, after the training, it's not everybody that will remember. Even though I send them a text message, some people are too busy in their lives, they will still not go and give the review. But those who have, some time on their hands, they will take a few seconds and go and give you a 5-star rating. You see, these people took their time and put something there for me. Took their time and put something there for me. These are genuine people, okay? Genuine people. And I'll teach you all this, how to get this done, okay? I'll teach you how to get all this done. Don't sit on the fence. Don't let this easy money go away. You can do this. If you're an LPN, if you're an RN, if you're a nurse practitioner, you can do this. This can be paying some of your nursing tuition fee. Like I said, the startup cost is $525, okay? This is not much compared to some digital marketing where you have to pay $10,000, over 1,000 plus, So you can pay the first, starting course fee, and then get set up, and then when you start getting people renew without coming in person to do the things on the mannequin, you can you can recover that 500 very quickly, and you can use that money to buy your mannequins and also get a professional website set up for you without coming out of your pocket more. What more should I say? Don't sit on the fence. Take my number from the video description or in the comment section. Text or call me. Let's get you into this training course. Let's get you started. Get this business going. Okay? And if you want to do any other business, I'm your coach. I can help you get started with any other business that you want to do. All right.